if I can maximize it. Before we get started, click that subscribe. Tell the questions. Give me a huge thumbs up. Today, guys, we are gonna be making a new a fishing note by only using some candy, yeah, what I made, and some yarn. So you're gonna just take it, roll it out, then you take the piece, and then you throw it, then you might take it, you loosen, if you have it tied up, loosen it. Mine is loosen now. Now then you stitch till it comes so long. You take it, wait, I'm first gonna fit this. So guys, I already got my fishing rope done. So we're gonna take it and throw it into the ocean. Yeah, just tie in this knot. The other one, yeah, it's getting a little dark, guys. So we're gonna put it in the water on 3, 2, 1, go. We're lowering it down. Something's already trying to get it. Lowering it down. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to put it in the camera, guys. Then I am gonna put on a camera here. Okay, the camera's on and sit down, go down. Go. There we go, something's down. Yeah, go. Load it. Wait. Down. So we have the list. So we have been waiting like so the time is supposed to, so we can wait the fish. Something's already grabbing it, so I'm gonna see you guys later and wait. I tied it somewhere because something was really pulling it, and so because I went to the bathroom, I tied. I'm trying to pull it, but something's definitely pulling it. I can see that it's something definitely. So let's take the thing out. Something pulling it. Something's definitely pulling out. You can look here. Yes, hello. I'm pulling it up. See? Oh, something heavy. Something heavy. Something heavy. Something heavy. I can't see in the water. Something's coming up. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's